Hello everyone, welcome back to Leumastudio. In this section, we're going to be looking into applications of angles and line bisection. So particularly in this video, we're going to be looking on how to locate the center of an arc. So to locate the center of an arc, the first thing to do is to get the arc we are about to locate the center, and the second thing is to pick any 3 points on the arc. So we pick our point, the first point as point X, the second point as point Y, and the third point as point X, Z. So we have 3 different points on our arc, and then the next thing to do is to join the point X to Y and point Y to Z. So one of the things we should note is that point X and Y should not be equals to point Y, Z. So the next thing to do is to bisect line XY and YZ, and then extend the line of bisection to the center of the circle. Okay, so to get the center of the line, we are going to join both the point of intersection between XY, which is this line, and the point of intersection between Y and Z, which is this, together. So at the point whereby the center line from XY meets with the center line from YZ, indicate the center line, which is denoted as point G. Thank you very much.